We know that usually a regular verb forms its past tense and past participle form by adding d, ed or ied to its present tense, like bake, baked, call, called, fry, fried. So these are all regular verbs because the past tense is formed by adding either d or ed or ied, and these are also the past participle forms. But there are certain verbs which do not follow these rules. Which rules? This rule. That is forming past tense or past participle by adding d, ed or ied. And such verbs are called irregular verbs. Let us see some examples. Now there are certain verbs in which all the three forms are different. So arise is the present tense, arose is the past tense, and arisen is the past participle form. So it is formed by adding n at the end. So we see that the past and past participle forms are not formed by adding d, ed or ied. So arise is an irregular verb and all the three forms are different. Similarly, there is a verb begin. Now begin is the present tense, began is the past tense, and begun is the past participle form. So once again, the past and the past participle form are not formed by adding d, ed or ied. So it is an irregular verb and all the three forms are different. Let us look at some more. Bite, bit, bitten, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken, do, did, done, draw, drew, drawn, drink, drank, drunk, eat, ate, eaten, fall, fell, fallen. So as you can see, none of these verbs form their past or past participle forms by adding d, ed or ied. So these are all irregular verbs, and in each of these all the three forms are different. So you need to remember all the three forms of these verbs. This is not a complete and exhaustive list of such verbs. There can be many more. So you need to remember as many as possible. Now we need to fill in the blank with the past tense of the verb. I dash a glass full of milk. The verb is drink. So what is the past tense? Now drink is an irregular verb. So drink is the present form. The past tense is drank. And the past participle form is drunk. So I need to fill in the blank with the past tense. So drank. I drank a glass full of milk. So drank is the correct answer. Now I need to fill in the blank with the past participle form. This chapter is dash to me. The verb is know. Why past participle form? Because it is in the passive voice. So what is the past participle form of know? So know is the present tense. Knew is the past tense. And known, K-N-O-W-N, known is the past participle form. So the answer will be known. This chapter is known to me. Now we need to fill in the blank with the past participle form. You have dash the flowers. Break. Now for break, we know it is break, broke, broken. So the past participle form is broken. B-R-O-K-E-N. Once again, we need to fill in the blank with the past participle form. Have you dashed your homework? The verb is do. So do, did, done. Did is the past tense. Done is the past participle form. So the answer will be done. Have you done your homework? So we saw some of the verbs which are irregular verbs. That is, they do not form their past or past participle forms by adding d, ed or ied. And for those verbs, all the three forms were different. Now, there is a very big list of such verbs and you should remember all the forms to use them correctly. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.